Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix GCash device developer options detected. If you're seeing the developer options detected message when opening GCash, don't worry. This can be fixed quickly and easily. This usually happens when your phone's developer options are turned on, which can trigger GCash security feature to close the app or log you out. To fix this, go to your phone settings, scroll down, select additional settings. From there, continue scrolling until you find developer options. Once you're in, simply toggle the switch off to disable it. After turning it off, reopen your GCash app, and it should now work smoothly without showing that warning. If still doesn't work, try restarting your phone or checking for any pending GCash updates in the Play Store or App Store to make sure you're using the latest version, and that's how you can easily fix the developer options detected issue on GCash. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.